Hey there, we love having conversations about conscious crypto trading and investing here at Conscious Crypto Traders. And today I wanted to talk in this video a little bit deeper about consciousness and trading with Cian Kenshin, who is a master trainer in spirituality, meditation, Qigong. He is also a cryptocurrency investor and an educator in the cryptocurrency space. Let's hear what he has to say. This is a really juicy conversation. You're going to love it. You have a
Okay.
great strategy week on week to
hmm
model cryptocurrency. So talk about your strategy and why you feel that is a good strategy, perhaps for beginners getting into cryptocurrency.
Yeah, it's a good strategy for beginners because it kind of it gives you a very easy system that scales according to your income, and it takes the emotional roller coaster out of the thing. You literally, I'll explain in a minute, but basically, it may it one of my clients said that she grew up in a house that was didn't have a lot of investing. They never talked about money, and she's a chiropractor, and so she makes good money, but has been scared of investing because it's just this big unknown area,
Yeah.
and just this simple system allowed her to have the confidence to go, oh, okay, it doesn't have to be scary. I don't have to worry about losing money if I do it this way. So what is this way? I you know I didn't invent this. This is like uh, these are best practices in the investment industry. If you put your money in any, like big investment firms, like in Canada, like Investment Group or something like that, they'll often do this for you. Obviously, they won't do it with crypto though.
I'm a magician,
um,
yeah.
so what is this? What is the strategy I'm talking about? Uh, it's very, very simple. First, you start with dollar cost averaging. Okay, dollar cost averaging is simply stating, okay, I want to invest, but I'm not going to take like 5,000 or 10,000 or 20,000, just dump it in the market and hope it goes up. That gets you on the emotional roller coaster, right? Because now you're invested and you're like, oh, you're watching the market, you're plugged into your cell phone, and you're like every morning you're getting up, it didn't go up, it didn't go down, and that populates the day. It's like, oh, it's a good day. Oh no, I'm sad, right? Like so these sort of single point in time investments are probably the best way to end up on stress leave or something. So you decide, okay, well, every week or every month I can invest $50, $100, $200, whatever you choose based on what you think is doable for your income, right? It could be $5. And then you put that into the market every week or every month, regardless of whether it's up or down. And what that has the effect of doing is, if it's down, you're buying. If it's up, you're buying. If it's going up, you're buying all the way up. So you're getting in all the way up. And then if it starts going down, it doesn't bother you because you're like, oh, well, I'm going to be buying it as it's going down too. So it doesn't actually matter because I bought it on the way up and I'm buying it on the way down. And I know as long as I believe that over time, over a long period of time, it's going to go up, um, that's fine. And based off of our earlier discussion, that's probably a good thing to believe. Although I can't tell anyone what to believe. That's what I believe. I believe crypto is going to go up significantly in the long run.
Yeah.
And so if you do believe that, then this dollar cost averaging is a way of getting you into the market over a period of time and not worrying about the volatility that's going to set you on that emotional coaster ride, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead.
I was just to say that's the importance of education. It doesn't matter what you're investing in, you should always be getting educated. And if you know that Bitcoin has had in the past 4 years cycles, and it goes up and down and up and down and up and down while it's gradually going up in a bull market, sorry, then it comes down again and it goes down and up and down and up and down and up all the way down
Yeah,
to a
yeah,
bottom, but that bottom is higher than where it started. So over a
that's
four
right.
period, you are significantly, well, if history is anything to go by, quadrupling your money every 4 years, right? Or even
Yeah,
more.
yeah,
More.
or
Yeah,
more. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Like I think I'm up 200% this year, something ridiculous like that. You know, like
So you're taking a little bit of money every single week and well, not a little bit of money, it's substantial, but in comparison to your income, a little bit
yeah,
each week
yeah,
and you're putting it into crypto and it doesn't matter what the price is you're just getting it because as it goes up and it goes down, you're dollar cost averaging, which means you're getting an average price, which is
that's
best
right.
for people who
Yeah,
are hodling. You're just buying it and you're just holding. So
yeah, yeah.
you do something like you do an evaluation, right? You evaluate what you're doing. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, so there is like there's a couple of things as far as like when like what day of the week to buy, you know, and I try to like I try to look at okay, what has it done this week and is this a good day to buy? But you know, at the end of the week I'm like, okay, I'm buying today, right? So there is a little bit of a wiggle room, you know. I find early mornings are really good for buying.
Mhm.
Um, the other evaluation I do is I have like I don't just buy one crypto, right? So I have a balanced portfolio of of crypto that I buy every week. And then I have some other ones that I've just thrown money at and I'm just like, oh, maybe that'll be fine. You know, those are play though. Those aren't investing. Those are just like I think that's gonna be fun, right?
Like, I
Yeah,
did
like
that with
invest.
Cardano. I did that with Cardano. I got Cardano when it was 11 cents. Right.
Oh
It's
wow.
now hovering around what $1.20 as we're recording this. It got up to $1.45 or something recently.
Yeah,
11
yeah.
cents and DigiByte at 1 cent. And now it's like 7.
Oh man.
How amazing is that?
Wow.
Like,
Yeah, good for you.
yeah, and not selling
Yeah,
it at $20.
no, exactly. Yeah, that's I learned my lesson there too. Yeah, so I'll throw like $200 at like any sort of like altcoin that kind
Yeah,
of pops up and I'm like, oh yeah, that looks like it might be good. Okay, yeah, you get $200.
yeah.
But for my like main investing, you know, like it's like 70% Bitcoin, 10% Ethereum, 5% Litecoin, and then like some others. I based it off of like Grayscale Investments. They're one of the biggest crypto investment firms in the world, and they have published their portfolios of what they're holding. So
Mhm.
you can actually go and look at the ratio of what they have, and it's like about 70% Bitcoin, 10% Ethereum, and then there's two others splitting the rest.
Right.
So for me, instead of like doing all the math and like doing sort of the risk adjusted return, blah blah blah, which I know how to do, but I'm lazy. So I'm like, oh, I'll just go do what the pros are doing, right?
Yes. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And it was just yesterday that we heard the announcement from Elon Musk that we knew as of January that he will be accepting Bitcoin for Teslas, but
Oh yeah.
and announced to the SEC that we're going to liquidate some, but we're going to hold some as well. And now announcing, no, we're going to hold all of it because obviously that consciousness shift has landed in his awareness, right? It's like, oh, I get this. I've got this. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, and just on our earlier topic, you know, Tesla is one of those companies who's open sourced their all their intellectual property,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, exactly.
Because he wants to light a he doesn't want to make money off of cars. He's like, yeah, I'll make money off of it, but that's not the purpose of Tesla. Tesla's purpose is to have a paradigm shift in the way that we transport humans,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
it's beautiful. I love it. So it's always juicy talking to Cian. He has a really unique perspective. If you like what you heard, you want to hear the entire interview that we had with him, diving deeper into this concept of conscious crypto trading, be sure to see the video we'll post at the end of this. And of course, as always, we'd love for you to like and comment. We try to get back to everybody who comments within a few days. Please forgive us if we take a little bit longer. Sometimes we're traveling and it's not always possible. And also to subscribe if you're new to the channel, click the bell and hit all so you'll be notified when we go live and when we do other interviews and when we upload our videos. There are many resources below in the description here, and you can see the platforms that you can trade on. There's courses that you can do if you're just new to trading or you're wanting to learn more about technical analysis. See all those details below. And then check out the full interview we had with Cian.